Shack. Episode 2 of the Loves Truck Stop. Pick up, drop. Dripping from the rusty bucket.
If we have another opening like we did last time, they might sue us for defamation.
You know what? We should sue them for the amount of stuff they're selling us in these packs that's worth nothing.
Okay.
I'm trying to watch my language. I really am, I swear. I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to be an upstanding citizen. I'm trying to be good for the children so everyone can watch and enjoy, not just us adults. Okay, there's a good old Wobble Buffet. There's a good old free code for somebody. Maybe we should just say screw it and go full explicit. I think we'd be all much more comfortable and entertained. Full face guard. Hypno. Fletch, flip, hip hop, swablu, zulu, quano granado, cutie fly, slanking. A slanking slanker. He's kind of cool. He is kind of cool.
You a monkey?
Slanker. He's a slanker. He's a slanker. Another sippy poo. I don't know why I ever had faith in the truck stop. What was I thinking? I'm ashamed with the amount of money that I dumped into Love's truck stops today. It's about time they put some money in my pocket. That's
Not a
all I'm
sponsor.
saying. Definitely not. I highly advise no one to ever buy any booster
Okay.
packs
Well,
from
we can't-
Love's.
We can't hot take yet.
What? Oh, wait. Okay. You know what? Sure we can.
No hot takes. This is a no hot
Okay,
take.
no
zone.
hot takes yet. Not yet. No hot take zone. Okay. Tempo, Psyduck. Oh, Eevee. A cutie fly. A drowsy. A shiny drowsy. I do like a shiny drowsy. That's cool. I like the drowsy. I do. I'm telling you, this glue on these packs are so suspicious to me. Truck stop glue.
They were in.
They were in cardboard. They were. I removed them from the cardboard just to save a little bit of time, so. Just rest assured, they did not come unpacked already. Another hippo. A lucky ice pop. A fly baby. Is that like a fly baby or a fly baby? I like fly baby better.
I have a feeling this is going to be a
Dweeble.
good pack.
Happy. Ooh, a copycat trainer and what is that? A Psycoon.
Suicune.
Suicune. It's about time. At least we got something worth sleeving. I kind of like this copycat trainer too, but you know, it's not as cool as. Oh yeah, the Psycoon, Suicune.
Right.
He's fleet-footed. Yeah. Sweet. All right. Okay. We're not total busting yet. Not yet. Not yet. It's not a complete disaster. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Careful now, careful. Cutie Fly's backing us up. He's got our back. So we don't slip up and show anything we're not supposed to just yet. Alright, here we go, boys and ladies and kids and germs. Herdier, Pyroar, Stormy Mountains, Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup, ooh, Zorok, and a Gorgeist? Gorgeist? Gorgeist.
He is a pumpkin ghost.
I like pumpkins and I like ghosts. Why does it just like look like his pumpkin is a shirt? Whatever. That's still cool. That's still cool.
Gas station packs.
Gas station packs. They're definitely not bringing the gas. Not bringing the heat. Moral of the story. Wait, we don't have a moral yet. We gotta make sure. We gotta solidify. We gotta confirm the data.
Yeah. In episode 3, we will we'll enter the hot take zone.
Yeah. We'll enter the hot take zone. And if things get bad enough, we might just have to go ahead and open the rest and just confirm. I don't know. Maybe we should wait on that.
Yeah, you do have more behind you.
We have more. Yeah, I'm just trying to spread them out. But man, I'm starting to... This is a new one. We have not seen this. A Scrawl of the Fanged Dragon. We might be on to something here. A Swoobat. Flabébé. A Dweeble. Alright, we're just right back to where we started. Another Drowsy. A Scraggy. A Rooflet. Ooh, a Glaceon.
Nice.
Okay. Alright. Things are happening.
I think Glaceon
Slowly but surely.
one of the good ones.
Things are happening.
Of course, that's like a normal Glaceon, but...
Yeah. It could have been... But it could have been another Flabébé, you know. But it wasn't. It was a Glaceon. Come on, loves. Prove us wrong. Show us some love. Make everybody in the world want to go buy their Pokemon cards from the Love's truck stop. This is your chance to prove yourself. Who needs card stores when you can just go to the local diesel shop? You know? Go fuel up your 18-wheeler.
Buy a pack of smokes.
Buy some smokes. Fill up your def tank. Get some dip.
Yeah.
And grab yourself a
Pokemon
a
card.
Tentacool card. And a toy catcher. And a Garbodor. You know you want a Garbodor. Lord knows we all came for the Garbodor.
Hey, you're at least getting...
I know, right?
ultra rares.
Things are happening, so I'm not complaining. A toy catcher too. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. I like things that catch toys. I love toys.
I don't think it catches toys.
In the first 8, we got 1. And then in this 8, we got 3. And we still got 2 packs left. So I think things are on the up and up here.
Things are starting to even out.
Yeah, we're starting to heat up. I wonder if the episode 3 is just gonna change the whole game.
Yeah.
We might just have to make an episode 4.
It's funny, there is a Love's right down the road. We could go there tomorrow.
Oh no. You're right, there is.
Right down the
Oh
road.
my gosh, I bet they just freshly stocked just like everybody else. Apparently
Wait, they're open 24
all
hours.
of these Love's gas stations all got these today. They all stocked them today. For the first time.
It's open
So
24
anybody
hours,
who
bro.
buys them today will be the first people ever in history to buy Pokemon cards from Love's truck stops. So, yeah. Do it now, or you're not going to be the first. You're just going to be the
You
rest.
might as well be last.
Yeah, might as well be last if you're not first. Just be a moon and sun badge. Or in a hippo, or drowsy. Come on now, give me some focus. Be a Psyduck. Or a Seedot. Or a Wishy-Washy.
Wishy-washy.
Or Wishy-Washy. Definitely be Wishy-Washy. That's definitely what we're going to be. Because I'm not convinced that I'm going to buy any more truck stop cards.
Truck stop heroes.
I say that, but just the pure convenience of them being everywhere. I'm probably going to end up buying way more Pokemon cards from Love's truck stops than I ever should. And that is very unfortunate. I wonder how long before they discontinue them.
At the Loves.
Yeah. How long do you think that... And, I mean, realistically, how long do you think that they're going to keep selling them?
Probably forever.
Eevee, Cutie Fly, Hit Your Mama, the Toad, Sply, a Talonflame. That'd be cool if it was like a full art. Do they make full art Talonflames?
Not at the moment.
I feel like that would make a cool one.
Probably.
That's it. That's episode 2. Okay, that was a little bit better. I got to admit. That was definitely a little bit better.
Yeah, that Glaceon's about $13
Okay.
at time of filming.
Okay, so what's 8 times 6?
You don't want to know.
Oh, I'm glad my math sucks. All right. Be right back for episode 3. Peace.